Hi, I'm Adrian with Detail Maniac, and we're going to be using Carless USA paint protection film in a satin finish. We're working on a new Model 3 Performance. We are also not only doing the satin wrap, we're going to be putting ceramic coating on top, as well as we're going to be ceramic coating the wheels and taking the arrows off. So for this specific customer, he wanted us to take the arrows off. So we're going to be taking these 5 off. But unfortunately, we can't take the other small ones off because apparently in the wheel, there's holes. Hey everyone, quick note before we jump in. Our videographer was out when we filmed this car, so we had to improvise with a different camera setup. Thanks a lot, Tim, for skipping out. Just kidding, nothing but love. Now that all the paint protection film is installed, we're moving on to a ceramic coating stage. And yes, you can apply ceramic coating on satin finishes. It locks in that smooth, even sheen, helps repel fingerprints, and makes ongoing maintenance way easier. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more car content.